Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Autel IKEY Programmable Smart Key, 2023, newest key. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Why you choose Autel IKEY Programmable Smart Key 2023, newest key. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Autel IKEY, Universal Programmable Smart Key. The Autel IKEY is a universal programmable smart key that can be programmed to replace smart keys for more than 700 vehicles, including those made by BMW, Hyundai, Nissan, Chrysler, Ford, Honda, General Motors. The LKEY is OE quality, multi-frequency, 315M/433M and 868M/915M, programmable smart key that supports 2 to 7 button configurations and features a premium battery. Use the KM100 tablet to program the LKEY for supported vehicles in as little as a minute. The Autel IKEY is OE quality, multi-frequency, 315M/433M and 868M/915M, programmable smart key. Use the KM100 tablet to program the IKEY for supported vehicles in as little as a minute. Note: Autel Smart Key can only be programmed by Autel tools. The Autel IKEY is a universal programmable smart key that supports 2 to 7 button configurations and features a premium battery. Simplified operation, one-click get to IMMO learning directly after the key generated. Autel IKEY supports ultra-long range, 40 meters or 130 feet, frequency transmission. Unlock your car doors quickly and get in your car much faster than you could with the Autel IKEY. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.